Right then, I can imagine there's quite a few of our followers waiting for one of these to arrive, probably because it's our #1 selling car and the quickest selling car when we get one in this colour. It's a Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE D300 Borasco Grey. This is the colour that everyone wants, especially when it looks like this car behind me with the full black pack, the black roof, the black 23-inch wheels and the red calipers. It's also got the exterior feature that people want, the sliding roof. So as a package, this is a real quick seller for us. Like I say, we get them, we sell them straight away. This particular one is a 2023 plate. It's done 29,000 miles in an awesome condition. We actually sold this car to the previous owner when it was like new. It's still got warranty with Land Rover until 2026. And like I say, if you want a Range Rover Sport, this is the colour to have. It is absolutely beautiful, this car, from the black pack, badging, grille, bottom section, insert into the bonnet, the wings, and an option, we've got the black roof with the sliding roof. But check this out, because this car looks so good because it's made by the 23-inch wheels, all in a perfect condition, in gloss black with the red Land Rover braking calipers, setting this car off. I mean, the black wheels with the paint and the red calipers, that is what makes this car. It's absolutely stunning. Now, because of its age and its mileage, this price point for this car is really, really key. I think if anyone's looking for a sport, now is the time to buy one. They've come down in price. This colour, with these wheels and this combination, it comes about very, very rarely for us. And that's why it's so popular, because it looks so good. These cars drive amazingly well. They are a 3-litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower car, which is fuel efficient. I say this every time. It's fuel efficient, it's powerful, it's great to drive. The seating position in one of these is great. I own one of these cars in these colours, so I'm a big advocate of you buying one as a customer. It's fantastic. Heated front seats, heated rear seats, Meridian sound, electric seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, privacy glass, the black pack giving you this boot finisher and the badging, all in gloss black. And we've got assisted tailgate, large boot space. The car's in a really, really nice condition. It will come fully prepared by our team. It has got full service history. We actually serviced this car upon its last sale when we sold it. And in the Sport, you get everything. So in the rear, you've got electric rear seat back fold. We've got Meridian speaker system integrated into the doors. The seats in the rear are obviously heated, ISOFIX points on the outer two, and you've got that glass roof which opens. Big feature on one of these, by the way, not standard. Then we've got things like keyless entry. As a driver, these cars, honestly, there's nothing else I would want to buy. That's why I bought one, than one of these. And the reason being is it feels very sporty. You sit in it and you've got a great driving position. Seats are super comfortable. It's got everything as you want as a driver. So switchable cockpit, heated wheel, adaptive cruise and lane assist, all very, very simple and easy to use. It's got wireless smartphone integration, wireless phone charging underneath the screen here. So when you jump in the car, your phone syncs to the car, and everything you can use through your mobile phone, through your fingers, you can use through the car. Reverse camera, top view camera and 3D camera. It's just a wonderful car, honestly. Front and rear heated screens, heated front seats, air suspension, switchable drive modes, 2 keys, nothing more to say. I think if you're interested, you're going to have to be very, very quick to buy this car. In fact, this is a long video presentation. It goes on after the short one. If you're watching this one and you've missed the short one, the car's probably gone already, but let's just see. My name's Richard. My number's on the screen. Simple and easy buying process. If you want to buy this car, call me. Thanks for watching.